A 1 minute pro tip for you. If you get stuck watching a lot of video and different things and you wish that you could speed it up, most video things have some place in there where you can go in and control the speed settings. But whether you're getting stuff through Loom, whether I'm sending you stuff, I send a lot of video, whether you're watching a movie, I don't care. Sometimes you want to speed it up or maybe slow it down. So I just want to show you, I've got this little thing up here that appears on any video I do. You can see this is inside of Facebook. I hit play here. You hear the music. Watch that. I can make that really, really fast. I can go as fast as I might possibly want. Listen to this video at computerized speed. Or I can play it just at a normal, reasonable speed. What this is, there's a little Chrome extension, and it is called the Video Speed Controller. Looks something like this. And if this is not something that you're into, awesome. Delete the video. No worries. It is, though, something maybe that you'd like to listen to videos a little bit faster, maybe want to become more efficient with your time. You want to watch the content, but don't want to do it at the slow ass pace that people move. Give this thing a try. I like it. I use it all the time. Thought I would share it with you. Video Speed Controller.